Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the benefits of professional windshield installation and discuss when it's best to seek professional help. From ensuring proper fit and seal to addressing complex issues like recalibration, we'll explore the advantages of relying on experts for your windshield installation needs. Get ready to learn what you need to know about professional windshield installation. Tools and materials required. When undertaking the task of installing a windshield, it is essential to have the right tools and materials at your disposal to ensure a successful and efficient process. Here's a breakdown of the key items you will need. Windshield installation kit. Make sure to invest in a quality windshield installation kit that includes items such as a windshield sealant, locking strip tool, cord, and windshield removal tool. These tools are specifically designed for windshield installation and will make the process much smoother. Safety equipment. Safety should always be a top priority when working on any automotive project. Equip yourself with protective gear such as safety goggles, gloves, and a mask to shield yourself from any potential hazards during the installation process. Cleaning materials. Before installing a new windshield, it's crucial to ensure that the surface is clean and free from any debris. Have glass cleaner, a microfiber cloth, and a razor blade on hand to thoroughly clean the windshield area for a secure fit. Windshield adhesive. Choose a high-quality windshield adhesive that is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. The adhesive will play a vital role in securing the windshield in place and preventing any leaks or shifting after installation. Trim and molding. Depending on the design of your vehicle, you may need trim and molding to provide a finished look after the windshield installation. Ensure you have the appropriate trim and molding pieces to complete the installation seamlessly. Ensuring you have the right tools and materials for installing a windshield is key to achieving a professional result. By being prepared with the necessary items, you can tackle the task with confidence and precision. Preparation before installation. Before installing a new windshield, it's crucial to prepare the area properly. This involves cleaning the space thoroughly to ensure a smooth installation process and inspecting for any existing damage that may affect the new windshield's installation. Cleaning the area. Cleaning the area where the windshield will be installed is essential to ensure proper adhesion and a seamless finish. Start by removing any dirt, debris, or old adhesive from the windshield frame. Use a mild detergent and water solution to clean the area, making sure to dry it completely before moving forward with the installation. Inspecting for damage. Before installing a new windshield, it's important to inspect the surrounding area for any existing damage that may hinder the installation process. Check for cracks, chips, or rust on the windshield frame that may need to be repaired before proceeding with the installation. Addressing any damage beforehand will ensure a secure and lasting windshield installation. Step-by-step windshield installation guide. Let's dive into the process of installing a new windshield step by step. Removing the old windshield. When starting the windshield replacement process, the first step is to carefully remove the old windshield. Begin by using protective gear such as gloves and safety goggles. Next, cut through the adhesive holding the windshield in place using a special tool called a windshield knife. Take your time and work slowly to avoid damaging the car's frame. Prepping the new windshield. Before installing the new windshield, ensure that the frame is clean and free of any old adhesive residue. Thoroughly clean the frame and allow it to dry completely. Position the new windshield carefully, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the frame. Applying the adhesive. Apply a line of automotive-grade adhesive along the frame where the windshield will sit. Be generous with the adhesive but ensure it is spread evenly to create a secure bond. Take caution not to apply too much pressure on the windshield during this step. Installing the new windshield. Carefully place the new windshield onto the frame, making sure it fits snugly. Apply gentle pressure around the edges to secure the windshield in place. Allow the adhesive to cure as per the manufacturer's instructions before driving the vehicle. Following these steps diligently will help you successfully install a new windshield on your vehicle. Remember, if you're unsure about any part of the process, it's always best to seek the help of a professional auto glass technician for a safe and reliable installation. Post-installation care and tips. After the windshield installation is complete, it is crucial to follow proper care guidelines to ensure its longevity and effectiveness. Here are some essential post-installation care tips to keep in mind. Curing time. Allowing the adhesive used in the windshield installation to cure properly is crucial for the overall effectiveness of the windshield. It is recommended to avoid driving the vehicle for at least 1–2 hours after installation to prevent any disturbances in the curing process. This will help the adhesive bond securely to the vehicle's frame and the windshield, ensuring a strong and durable hold. Avoiding mistakes. To maintain the integrity of the newly installed windshield, it is important to avoid common mistakes that can jeopardize its functionality. Avoid slamming the doors with excessive force, as the sudden impact can put pressure on the windshield sealant, leading to potential leaks or dislodgement. Additionally, refrain from running the air conditioning or heating at maximum levels immediately after installation, as extreme temperature changes can affect the curing process of the adhesive. By following these post-installation care tips diligently, you can ensure that your windshield remains in optimal condition and provides the necessary protection for you and your vehicle. It is essential to prioritize the care and maintenance of your windshield to avoid any potential issues and prolong its lifespan. Cost of windshield installation. When considering the cost of windshield installation, several factors come into play. Cost factors. Type of windshield. The cost can vary depending on the type of windshield needed. Basic windshields may be more affordable compared to those with special features like heating elements or rain sensors. Vehicle make and model. The make and model of your vehicle also play a significant role in determining the cost of windshield installation. Luxury or rare vehicles may require special windshields that can be more expensive. Quality of the glass. Opting for higher quality glass may increase the cost of installation. High-quality glass can offer better durability and clarity but may come at a higher price point. Labor costs. The cost of labor for windshield installation can vary depending on the auto shop you choose. Different service providers may have different labor rates, so it's essential to compare quotes. Average cost range. On average, the cost of windshield installation can range from $100 to $400. However, this is a general estimate, and the actual cost can vary based on the factors mentioned above. It's recommended to get quotes from multiple auto shops to find the best price for your specific needs. Cost versus quality. While it might be tempting to opt for the cheapest windshield installation option, it's crucial to consider the quality of the service and the materials used. A well-installed high-quality windshield can provide better visibility and safety for you and your passengers, potentially saving you money in the long run by avoiding future repairs or replacements. When it comes to installing a windshield, it's crucial to entrust this task to skilled professionals. Your vehicle's windshield plays a vital role in your safety on the road, providing structural support and ensuring visibility. Attempting to install a windshield yourself can lead to improper fitting, which compromises safety and may even result in legal issues if not done correctly. Choosing a reputable auto glass service ensures that the windshield is installed with precision and expertise. Professional installers have the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the installation efficiently and effectively. Moreover, they can identify any underlying issues that may affect the windshield's performance and address them promptly. Remember, your safety is paramount when it comes to your vehicle. By relying on professionals for a windshield installation, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that your windshield is secure and your visibility is clear. Don't compromise on safety. Leave windshield installation to the experts. As we conclude our two-part series on windshield installation, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the benefits of both DIY and professional installation. Remember, by making informed decisions and weighing the pros and cons, you can ensure a successful and safe windshield installation experience. Until next time, may you continue to explore, learn, and make the best choices for your car's maintenance and repairs. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.